Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to maths class, mathematics point. So students, today we will do chapter 8 percentage, exercise 8A, D1 and SM1, and in new books it is chapter 4. So the main name of the chapter is percentage, so no need to worry about this 4 or 8, just look at the percentage. And we will do a question for that is find the value of each of the following. We have to find the 50% of 70. Okay, the question from 1 to 4 and all the practices of this chapter already have been done from practice now 1 to 5 and the videos has been uploaded. Now today we will do the question 5. So the very simple, whenever we want to find the percentage of any quantity, so what is need to do, this of mean that multiply 50% of $70 ka 50%. And the thing is that when percentage sign is given and we have to simplify it, so keep one thing in mind that divide your term by 100. All the game is about 100. When you want to find the percentage, so multiply by 100, and when there is already a percentage sign is given, you want to solve it, so divide by 100. So now solve the question. Okay, in new books it is again exercise 4A, जो बच्चे बार बार कमेंट्स कर रहे होते हैं 8A 4A, so बेटा in new books it is 4A and old one it is 8A. So 50%, 50 and this percentage sign. Now look at this percentage sign and when you solve it, so remove this percentage sign and by solving this percentage sign divide by 100. इसको हटाओ और सीधा से लगा दो 100 से डिवीजन. Then of means that multiply of price what you have $70. Now we find out the 70%, 50% of $70. Now use this calculator. I'm using the calculator and then simplify it. 50 divided by 100, okay ji, and multiply by 70. So we get the answer that is $35. Okay जी, जब आप 50% निकालेंगे $70 का तो आपके पास आ जाएगा $35. Now the second part B of this question 5, 80% of 4.5 meter. Better method will be the same. The quantities are different, but the method or the way or the concept you will use will remain the same. Okay, ji. Now sit here. Okay, we have 80%. 80% of what? 80% of 4.5 meter. Now again the process will be the same. 80 divided by 100 multiplied by of is converting to the multiplied this percentage sign. When we remove it, place 100 here and multiply by 4.5 meter. Now solve it by using this magical calculator. Okay, 80 divided by 100 multiply by 4.5, so we get the answer that is in point is 3.6 meter. So when you find out the 80% 4.5, so that 80% will be 3.6 meter. So now move towards our question number 6 of exercise 8A. There are 20 boys and 18 girls in a class. Find the percentage of boys and girls. This is similar as we have done a practice now, a word problem practice now 3. In that we have the males and female teachers, and this question we have boys and girls. So again in a class we have these two numbers. So firstly we find out the total students in the class, not about the girls and boys, total number of the students, and total mean add up. For total we add girls and boys number, then individually find out what is the percentage of boys and what is the percentage of girls. Now we solve the question number 6 and find out the total numbers. Total number of students. Okay, total numbers we have 20 boys and 18 girls. So the total will be 38. Now 30 is the total number of the students in the class. Now find the percentage of the boys. Find the boys percentage. ठीक है. Now total number of boys that is given in the statement that total boys are 20. So you find out 20 boys in the class. Okay, 20 number as of the boys and 20 out of 38. 38 is the total number of the students in the class, and out of 38 number of boys are there is 20. This is how that suppose you score 20%, 20 marks out of 38 in a test, and we have to find the percentage. So for percentage, always multiply by the 100%. So in this calculations, you just look at the calculator. 20 divided by 38 multiply by 100, so we get the answer 52.63. Or you can also write this answer in the mixed form. It is 52.63% of y, or rather if you want to write down in the mixed form, so in the mixed form it is 52 whole 12 by 19% of the boys. Now we will find the percentage of the girls in that class.